Oh, look at that. Ooh. Look at how bright that is. All right, I got the Orbit. This is the RB50-5. This is a 4-inch round outdoor box. I'm using it for indoors because it was one of the strongest things I could get that would allow me to secure this to the interior here. And I'm using Simpson Strong-Tie screws, and I got my Milwaukee up there. So that is secure now. I'm confident that that's going to hold this light. All right, this is the HTM Lighting Solutions. It's a 17-inch white finish outdoor gooseneck barn light. Okay, right about there. We'll secure this. Tighten the Romex connector so it doesn't come loose. And then we need to wrap this guy here around this. So this is the thingy that I'm wrapping it around, the ground screw. So that's the instructions. So this part right here, I don't think I have to worry about. Yeah, so we don't need the adapter ring. Figure 3, let's see what it's saying about figure 3. Round weatherproof installation, no spider mounting bracket. Don't need the spider mounting bracket, okay. Yep. While it's suspended nearby, right, so like right about here. Oh, do it this way, right. Wire cutter, like, what do you think? Right about here. That's got to be way more than enough. There we go. Okay, so this gets inserted this way in here. And we just have to make sure that we get it to protrude out through the center there. Like that. Right, so now we got to stick our wires through that hole, and we got to get this set on the end. So yeah, we got to put this rubber ring here to interface between these. This is like a weather seal, but I'm just doing it just because I like to do things. All right, so then we'll wrap this around again. Now we'll attach our green wire nut. Okay, we can push that in. Once again, we can do our neutral. Okay, that's good. Now we can do our hot wire. And this is why I like these multi-port connectors, because I don't have to fumble with any wire nuts or anything. Literally just plug them in. I used a 4-port in here. Now look at that. Okay. So now we can hook this light bulb up. 150 watt Philips Hue bulb. This thing is huge. Very huge. Oh my God, it's huge. It's the Whiz. I don't know how to use the Whiz. This will be the first time. I used the Philips Hue app. Never used the Whiz. And let's see if we can reach it up here, right? You know what? Let's get the camera on it. Zoom out some. Camera on. Oh, look at that. Ooh. Look at how bright that is. And I gotta share this with Dave. It's a light. It's a light. Yeah, thank you so much, Dave and Joey, again. Hey, I really appreciate it. So this is the farmhouse light. Yeah. Farmhouse light in the shed with a 150 watt equivalent LED bulb by Philips. Philips Whiz. All right, so this is the box that it came in, HTM Lighting Solutions, and it's a SBL17WH SGN15WH. Yeah, it weighs about 2.1 kilograms. All right, yeah, so this light, I really like this light a lot. I especially like the, I like the light bulb, the Philips Whiz light bulb. I didn't control it yet with the app or anything. But this lamp, the farmhouse lamp, it's awesome. It's casting a lot of light right here, which is very important when you first enter. So yeah, I'm digging that. Totally digging it. So you can see how bright it is, right? And how bright it is not when the light is off. So we'll just turn that back on, and then we'll unplug this other light, because when we exit for the night, we are done. It took an hour to install this light. 1 hour to install this light. So it might take you longer. It might take you longer if you're doing it outside, running wire to it. I actually ran wire to it. If you already have wire run, it might take you